Potential formation process of unified configurations as a result of impulses initiation.
The synthetic state, which we define as macrocosmos, is just a 1/10,000th part of the whole potential state of information. Neither I nor you do not know what exists beyond the synthetic state, in which all information forms exist, except those forms of synthetic interrelations that are habitual to us. It is impossible to cognize, in that it is impossible to step out of the synthetic form. As you step out of the synthetic form, you become information. That means you lose self-consciousness. You does not exist as the self-consciousness form. For example, I could appear at the 100 billionth dimension, but it would be impossible to comprehend, because in that there are definite standards of synthetic forms of appearance, which I myself would not be able to recognize. Primarily, only information exists. This information has a specific cognitively informational impulse. This cognitively informational impulse sets the resonance of the information. The main principle of existence of all that exists is resonance. As a result of that resonance, some of the most compatible informational fragments begin to interrelate with one another. These interrelations do not always occur as you expect. Let the one informational fragment be called here. It reveals some informational property, which we took as viscosity, conditionally. Let us call there as another informational fragment, which we define as fluidity, also conditionally. They reveal their identity among themselves in some points of their configurations. It does not mean that they will get closer. The first here and the second there, as you used to imagine the interaction, you thought that this and that started getting closer, and then they merged together in some points in a sequential fashion. No. Everything merges out of space. All that exists stays put. All the information, all this multi-dispersity moves nowhere. No chaos is to be found inside information. It is a fixed system. The configurations themselves exist already. They are so balanced with each other that nothing can destroy this balance. However, activity of cognitively impulse launches, as it were, the translation points of parts of these fragments configurations, which are the most resonational in relation to each other. That means that the first configuration starts to vibrate like a beacon. Then, the second configuration, which is resonational to the first one, does the same. They stay in their positions, so to speak, although no place exists. No space exists yet. It is not the complete resonation, just some extent of resonation. Since here is one point of resonation, this one fragment reflects one specific quality, one tendency and one kind of information. There is another point that reflects a different tendency and information. They are slightly different, but something of them combines. There is something inside them that unifies them.
Ircognitivny impulse caused this translation inside either configuration. The translation is like self-declaration. I am this information, which brought to activation of this information exactly those of its properties which are inherent to this current informational fragment. Then the definite parts of configuration vibrated. It is equal to their integration in the whole. I repeat, the integration which you imagine does not occur. Staying in their positions, they create sort of unified form of appearance somewhere in some environment. That we could not imagine. In that there are no time and no space. There is nothing yet. However, as a result of potentially created form of appearance, as a result of that resonance, the unified configuration appeared. Then some overage originated from either configuration. Actually, it did not originate in that this overage resonated with some other parts of other informational fragments. But they made some dissonance in relation to each other and just created unified configuration. Some parts of configurations of the two fragments reach resonance in this unified configuration, say by 90%, and some parts by 10%. The latter is the difference, which divides them and gives the opportunity to be individualities, allowed them not to become the integral whole. If they were resonational, absolutely, there would not be any necessity in existence of the two configurations. There would be the single configuration. In fact, these 10% determine individuality of every fragment.